Hi guys, my name is Katie, or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our domino. So make sure you go ahead and go open that in Maya, and then yours should probably just look like this. So first things first is click on your object, do edit, delete all by type, and delete that history. And then go ahead and click on Arnold and grab your sky dome light. Go ahead and click on your object, hold down right click, and go down to assign new material. Here you're going to click on shader and then AI standard surface, and we're going to leave it as white because our dominoes is white. The next part, what you're going to do is go into face mode, and then you're going to hold tab and you're going to be selecting these inside pieces. So you can hold tab and select the inners, then select one and then double click the next to get that outer ring. That's I've found to be like the quickest way possible. But yeah, so you're just gonna quickly go through and grab all of those, and then don't forget also this inner portion here. And then once you have all of those all selected, you're going to hold right click down and do assign new material, shader, AI standard surface, and change that one to black. Go ahead and click 7 to see how the textures turned out, and then if you want to change the colors or anything, this is the time to do that. You can change like the white or the black here in the different places. You can also name them different things if you want to call it like white or black. But that's it. So if you guys have any questions about that, this one's super easy to texture. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys next time for our next tutorial. Bye guys!